Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh, it is so gloomy out. I actually went out this morning. I got my tea. That was about it. Oh my gosh, the wind is blowing. It is cold, and we're supposed to have really bad weather. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday. So I'm going to try and cheer myself up by doing some springy videos. Oh my gosh. So, number one, what is going on at Bath & Body Works? We have a full-on Scooby-Doo mystery. So yesterday when I did my video, I said we were having a Wallflower sale, which we are. And then a lot of people were emailing me, texting me, saying that they saw on the app we were having a single wick candle sale for $6.50. So sure enough, I go on the app and I'm like, oh, okay, I totally must have goofed. Come back this morning, and guess what? There's no single wick candle sale. It is in fact the $3.95 for the Wallflower. So I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if Bath & Body Works just goofed on the app. I don't know if they changed their mind. I'm not sure what's happening. But there's a little bit of this kind of weird Scooby-Doo mystery going on in terms of sales. So we are in fact having $3.95 sale on the single Wallflowers, and then the 2-pack that you can get as the online exclusives, like the iced lemon pound cake. I like the 2-pack because you get a pretty box with it. Those are looks like $7.90. So yeah, that's the sale for today. It's so weird. What's body care today? That's one thing I wanted to look at. Wallet offers. Oh yeah, buy 3 get 1. There's nothing going on. Nothing going on at all. We're supposed to have a candle sale at the end of the week. The only thing that is happening is we do have new product online today. So a lot of you might have seen this. I was lucky enough to get this over the weekend at 40% off. This is the diamond ring candle holder. And I know a lot of people are like, that thing is so ugly. I feel like it's split 50-50 between people who love this thing and people who hate it. It's funny. It's like the battle of the diamond ring. $34.95. I got it for 40% off plus an additional $25. So that's the only reason I bought it. I'm like, I'm going to get it because I want to show you guys actually what it is. So it's in fact like a little diamond ring here. Here's what a candle looks like on top of it. It looks pretty. If you had like a little blingy candle, this would make a great centerpiece if you were having like a wedding shower, an engagement party, a wedding. I'm not really sure how many people are going to love it just as a regular candle holder. But if you like blingy stuff, I think it's cute. I mean, it's definitely an interesting piece. I actually think it's pretty. I think it's prettier in person than it is online. So that showed up online today. The other Scooby-Doo mystery we've got going on is, oh, by the way, I have my pineapple from a couple years ago, is this. A lot of people were telling me that this is a light up. I'm like, is mine defective? I'm trying to look in here. I do not see a light up mechanism. I saw in the review, someone was like, something about the batteries. I'm like, mine does not have batteries. So I don't know if there's 2 versions of this thing going on out there, but mine is definitely, you can see on the bottom, there's nothing to light this thing up. So I don't know what's happening. So Scooby-Doo mystery number 2. I swear this is like the morning of mysteries. By the way, look what I pulled up from the basement. I love this thing. This is my pineapple from a couple of years ago. Where are the water globes, by the way? I'm calling Scooby-Doo mystery number 3 because we are not seeing water globes anymore. And you know what the ironic thing is? I noticed Kohl's has some water globes that look very similar in style to like the Bath & Body Works ones. So I don't know what's going on with the water globes, but I love my pineapple. Okay, so what else showed up online this morning? More always and forever. We have a, I think we have a, do we have a scrub? Wait a minute. I'm getting it confused with, you know what? No, I'm getting it confused with warm vanilla sugar. Warm vanilla sugar now has everything. They have a body butter. They have a scrub. So if you like warm vanilla sugar, you are in luck. Whiskey toast. And I saw this in my store the other day. I'm going to put a screenshot up. Actually, I think I have it right on my phone here. I put it up on Instagram. You know what? I hate when I do my screenshots and then sometimes I forget to put the screenshot up, which is annoying for everybody. Here it is. I'm going to show you right there. That is the whiskey toast in the box. The box is actually cute. I like the box a lot. So, whiskey toast, it's expensive though. Oh my gosh, $64 with the cologne. I should have got it when it was 40% off because I do like whiskey toast. There are a ton of Mother's Day boxes. Mother's Day boxes all over. There's also a diamond bling 3-wick candle holder. There is more. So, there's also a new Restore with Magnesium body lotion. And what's interesting is it's wood and warm cherry. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I actually might place an order today because that, oh no, that's not an app reward. Shoot, $17.95. I want to get that. I want to see if I can get it in any format because I really want to smell that for you guys. I'm like, wood and warm cherry? What is happening? All of this stuff is showing up. Beyond Savvy is now in the cologne. Let's see, what else do they have? They have got, the Everyday Luxuries 3-piece mini perfume spray. So it's a little box with the 3 minis. It's got, let me see, You're Cheeky, Midnight Addiction, and Strawberry Flirt. So kind of an odd mix there. It's funny, it says unavailable for pickup at my store. My store had a ton of those. I don't know if they got sold out or what. But those are no longer available at my store. Also, a bridal gift bag with like a bow on it. I think what they're doing with like the blingy diamond ring, Always and Forever. I mean, Always and Forever is a candle. I haven't seen it yet. But the Always and Forever candle would look really nice on the diamond ring. And like I said, you could use that like as a centerpiece. I think they're just trying to tap into the whole like wedding home decor and, you know, bridal bonanza that's happening. I mean, I've been married almost 25 years. I'm kind of like, eh. I'm not too into the whole bridal stuff, but I did think, I think I got this for like, what, 15, 16 bucks with the coupon. I'm like, I'm getting it just to show you guys. Let's see here. What else do they have that's new? Always and Forever gift set. There's a 1,000 Wishes gift set. There's a Champagne Toast gift set. Super cute Feliz Cumpleaños bag, which means happy birthday. What else do they have on here? Oh, there's a new car fragrance clip that's got like a sweet sparkle on it. And then there's a couple of new like Wallflower plugs. Also, there is that, where did I see it? There's a lot of new stuff. Like, I was like, wait a minute. It's like, there's no new body care, but there's a lot of new stuff. Oh, it's the Embroidery Flower Scent Control. So we have that. But, in terms of candles and body care, like really, other than Whiskey Toast in the cologne and Beyond Savvy in the cologne, there's not a lot of body care. So, kind of a mishmash today. I feel like we're in the midst of like these Scooby-Doo mysteries. What's happening? I think the single wick candle sale is coming up later in the week. But again, if it's $6.50, that's not like a huge deal. So basically, we're kind of in this kind of wait and see what is happening. Again, I am using a Shop My link below. A lot of people are asking like what that is. So all it is if you shop that link, I get a commission. And you don't have to do it. There's no obligation. I just put it down there because every little bit helps me just a tiny bit more to be able to buy stuff to share with you. And I've never used an affiliate link for Bath and Body Works before because I didn't know they even existed. But then I figured out they did, and I'm like, oh, I'm going to put that on. But it doesn't affect what I think about the product. Bath and Body Works is not sending me product to review. It's just I'm using the link, and all my opinions are still my own. If I don't like something, I'm going to say it. If I do like something, I will also say it. You guys know I did not like the Sweetest Song in the candle. I'm still not a fan of Sweetest Song. I don't know. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's just not doing anything for me. I actually like Always and Forever, like a whole bunch more. This is actually my favorite spring scent in the floral at the moment. So anyway, like I said, I have the link below now if you want to support my channel in that way. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. We're going to find out what's happening. I'm going to go see if I can get my hands on that Woody Cherry Restore scent with the magnesium. I love magnesium in products, so that's actually really exciting to me. So I will be back later with some more stuff. I will see you guys then. Stay warm.